Day 6 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously we carpeted the rear walls of the van and painted the walls. Now we have finally got the walls, the bulkhead and the wheel arch box in place. I bought some Jacobean dark oak wood dye to dye the cladding, which we will be using for our roof, and it turned out really nice. It's not too light or too dark in colour. Lucy chefed up some kebabs for us on the barbecue whilst we finally could finish the roof insulation, as the bulkhead and the walls were now in place, so we could finally fit it. They are grip filled into place, and then I've covered the edges and the gaps with insulation tape. Adam and I then added some battens to support the cladding, and due to the curvature of the van, each bit of cladding was a different measurement, so it was a long process of measuring, cutting and drilling into place. Once we arrived at the areas where we wanted the lights, Adam cut the holes with a jigsaw so we could install the lights. We will be having 4 warm LED spotlights in the roof, and as you can see, the van is now coming into shape and looking really good. Follow for day 7, where we will have finished the cladding, installed the bed frame and started on the kitchen unit panelling.